There is an old Taoist saying that the way people treat you tells you exactly where they stand in life. And once you understand this, you will never take criticism the same way again. Your vision decides your destiny, and the more people you meet, the clearer this truth becomes. People who are above your level will always encourage you because they remember what it felt like to climb. People who are at your level will appreciate you because they understand your journey. But people who are below your level will be the ones who attack you because they cannot see where you are going, so they try to drag you back to where they are. This is why the Taoist masters gave us a powerful lesson. If you want to become a great tree, you should never waste your time fighting with the grass. A general who carries a sword does not bother himself with cutting ants. When you meet toxic people, simply walk away. When you find yourself stuck in bad situations, cut your losses and move forward. You do not owe explanations to people who have already decided to misunderstand you. Learn to be generous with your silence. Learn to let go without anger. This is not weakness, but the deepest kind of wisdom. The river never fights the rocks because it knows that flowing around them will always take it closer to the sea. Thank you for watching.